Residence F3 is located in a rural area of São Paulo, built on a rectangular plot with a steep slope. To adapt the house to the sloping terrain, the main volume is placed in the center of the plot, creating a large front garden that overcomes part of the slope, while providing an attractive main access. The ground floor is located a few meters below street level and contains the social area, garage, service area, kitchen, games room, and swimming pool. The service area and garage are located on the left front of the plot, following the slope and hidden under a green roof that blends with the garden. The social area has large glass walls that allow views of the garden, while wooden brises maintain privacy from the street. Designed for a large family vacation, the house has an upper floor with 7 bedrooms and a cinema room to accommodate the whole family and guests, separating the intimate area above from the open social area on the ground floor. Contemporary architecture with straight lines, integrated spaces, and a generous interior-exterior connection through large glass panels. Natural materials such as towery wood, Itanas granite, and Migotto stone were chosen to provide warmth that contrasts with industrial elements such as aluminum, glass, and black ACM. The outdoor area features a granite deck that connects the balcony to the infinity pool. The pool consists of a shallow area and a spa, with a path leading to the changing rooms and sauna. The Migotto stone wall provides privacy and supports the 14-meter-long balcony. To allow large openings in the social areas, the upper floor uses a steel frame, providing optimal natural light and sustainable thermal acoustic characteristics.